Hey YouTube, I just want to make a quick video on gold and silver and current state of that market and let's talk about pundits too. Pundits, the guys who were there telling you to buy this shit. Recently I just saw videos about this guy named G4T or George for Title, and he's getting slammed by the community, blah blah blah, and it's because he was one of the guys telling you to buy this stuff. And I found this site that I used to use to record kind of what these guys, the pundits, the experts, were telling us to buy at the time. So I thought that'd be really interesting. I want you to ignore the top two because I reset those, but before I was going to reset everything here, I was just like, geez, I should probably make a video. This is what the gold and silver experts told us to buy. I was listening to all the channels back then when the bull market was going up, up, up. And you guys, I think this is important to think about in the current bull market. We have an equities bull run right now that I'm not really in. I really wasn't in this. I don't have a lot of money in stocks. But one thing I'm saying is, you know, during the gold silver bull run up, everyone was telling you to buy, buy, buy. And this is the results of buy, buy, buy during a bull run that turns the other way. I want you to take a look right now. You know, you got negative 40, negative 40, negative 25, negative 17. You got a little bit of a plus here, negative 70, 90, negative 90, and then a couple pluses here. These guys weren't like, I don't even know, these aren't even metal. So, but I believe there were some guys talking, they like that. So I wrote them down anyways, but they did okay. Some of these did okay. But then you gotta really, like, this was a penny stock and you gotta be careful with those. Pure gambling, pure speculation on that. You know, but the miners and the gold, silver, look at the red. It's insane. Like, the money that people lost in this market is nuts, because I was there and I remember everyone said buy, 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 buy. And you know what? No one ever said get out, get out, get out, get out. And when they did start saying get out, it was late. It was way too late. So if you're, you know, the moral of the story is this: if you're in the current equities bull right now, because that's what everyone's talking about. Oh yeah, get on the equities, get on the equities. Maybe you got to start taking it. If you weren't already in there with some money, it's probably a little, you know, you're going to want to be in here with stop losses. That's probably number one thing. So everything you buy, if you weren't already in there with both fists, and that's the term, okay guys, that is the term I heard when gold and silver was moving, in with both fists. I can't remember who said it, but you know what? Fuck them. These people are shitheads. They're bastards. I don't even know if they know what they're doing, because this here would have been the results. And a lot of people are caught in here. And, you know, in my opinion, from looking at this probably, if you're in for the long term, maybe the miners, gold and silver, might be a good time to buy and hold. You know, I would wait even more. They're getting slaughtered, but whatever. I don't really know. I'm not a specialist, and you know what? You don't even want to listen to the specialists, in my opinion. What I do know is in the current equities market, everything is peaking up, going high, going high. So, you know, I'm just saying maybe, and I don't really know, but maybe if you're in there, it's time to take it off the top as this thing goes up 5%, 5%. If you're already in there, 5 or 10% moves, it's time to shave it off the top. And if you're not in there, you're gonna want to go in with caution, because this is a possibility. That, and people are saying, oh, with the way the government's printing money, it's not going down. Well, the government's printing money, and gold and silver was never supposed to go down. The money printing was supposed to create inflation that would push commodities to the moon. That was the story, guys. And it's all bullshit. It's bullshit right now that they're saying the inflation. All it takes is for them to, for this government decides to increase interest rates, which makes something more favorable. Maybe the bond market gets favorable. Boom! All of a sudden, everyone's fucking running out of equities and into some other market. It's a little thing that can happen. And with the gold and silver, I don't know what happened. It's a lesson to be learned, and I still like the concepts behind it, and so I'll continue to watch the market. But I know a lot of people aren't buying. We were buying at 40, right? So how that works, we're buying at 30, 40, 50, and now that it's 20, everyone has abandoned ship. It's like, oh, now that the price is gone, let's all not buy it. I don't know how this crap works, but I will continue to just watch it and kind of make some plays. The last play I made was BlackBerry, guys, and aside from I still own some PSLV, which isn't on this list, and I will buy that very sparingly. That's kind of a very long-term thing that I'm doing, and I like gold and silver because I don't have to worry about the company. It's not a company, it's just a commodity. And so it's the concept behind it is it never go to zero. But anyways, the last play I did do was BlackBerry. I bought it at and I did not buy a lot. I mean, my goal is to beat the bank, and so if I make $100 or $200, I mean, if I'm investing $500 a time, because I really don't have a lot of money for this stuff. I'm just a normal average dude. But I did a good play. I bought BlackBerry on the media hype when it was at like $6.70, and then it spiked up to $8 because I figured between now and whatever happens to BlackBerry, there's going to be at least one or two pushes upward, and so I might just I made about $100. Big fucking deal. Nobody cares. But that was my play, and this is just the stuff I watch for entertainment. Anyways. Take care, guys. Talk to you later.